I found an AI tool that'll give you 50 free minutes with an AI voice agent that can handle all your calls automatically. And so if you're running a business and still using your personal phone number for customer calls, you're probably dealing with a lot of problems, like missed calls coming in at all hours of the day, no way to clearly track communication, and no way to route calls to the right person. That works when you're just starting out, but as your business grows, it becomes a serious bottleneck. And this is exactly why most growing businesses eventually move to a dedicated phone system. And so in this video, we're looking at CloudTalk, a cloud-based business phone system designed to help teams manage sales and customer support calls more efficiently. We'll cover what CloudTalk is, the key features, the pros and cons, who it's best for, and I'll give you a quick walkthrough of the dashboard so you can see exactly how it works. And I'd like to thank CloudTalk for sponsoring this video. So let's get into it, starting with what CloudTalk actually is. And so CloudTalk is a cloud-based business phone and call center platform designed primarily for sales and customer support teams. Instead of using traditional phone lines, everything runs through the internet. This means your team can make and receive calls using a desktop computer, as well as a laptop and mobile device. The company was founded back in 2016 and is registered in Slovakia with an office based in New York. And so today, CloudTalk has thousands of customers worldwide, including companies like Uber, Mercedes-Benz, and DHL. One of the biggest advantages of cloud-based phone systems like this is that they allow companies to operate a virtual call center anywhere around the world. CloudTalk also provides phone numbers in over 160 countries, so businesses can offer local numbers to customers even if their team is located somewhere else. And so now that you know what CloudTalk's about, let me now break down the features that make CloudTalk worth considering for your business. And so the first really big benefit is that they have smart call routing. In other words, it allows incoming calls to automatically go to the right person. For example, you can automatically route sales calls to the sales team, support calls to the support team, and so you have the flexibility of automatically routing calls based off a specific department or time of day, which really does help reduce missed calls and ensure customers reach the right person. And so beyond routing, another major strength of CloudTalk is its integrations. It seamlessly connects with tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, Zendesk, Zoho CRM, and Freshdesk, and many more. A huge benefit you get with this is that it allows for calls to automatically log inside your CRM, so your team has context about the customer they're speaking with. For example, when a customer calls, the system can instantly show you their name, previous conversations, deal status, as well as if they've submitted any support tickets. This quick access to detailed client information is very helpful, especially as you grow your business. In addition, CloudTalk includes a suite of AI-powered tools designed to help your team perform at a higher level. These include automatic call recording, call transcription, AI-powered conversation insights, which include things like sentiment analysis, topic extraction, call scoring, and AI-generated notes. And so managers can review calls in real time to train team members and improve their customer service process. And what's even better is that it doesn't stop with recording. CloudTalk gives you both post-call and real-time analytics that track call volume, response times, agent performance, and call duration. And so for companies running support teams or outbound sales teams, this data can be very valuable. And then for the next benefit, one of the more powerful features worth highlighting is that CloudTalk's AI voice agents can handle calls automatically, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You also get their AI receptionist, which handles inbound calls, answers FAQs, routes callers, and takes messages so that no call goes unanswered even outside business hours. And so if you are running more complex workflows, AI specialist agents can handle end-to-end tasks like lead qualification, billing inquiries, appointment scheduling, and more, connecting directly to your system to take action in real time. And for teams focused on outbound sales, CloudTalk includes an AI-powered dealer with two key modes. Power dialing mode, which automatically dials numbers one at a time sequentially, which helps keep reps in back-to-back conversations. It also includes parallel dialing mode, which dials up to 10 lines at once and connects the rep only when a live person picks up. And so both these modes are designed to maximize talk time and reduce time wasted on voicemails and unanswered calls. Now that you have a good understanding of all the features, let's move on and talk about pricing, because this is something many people want to understand before trying out a platform. And so CloudTalk offers two main categories of pricing. They have the standard business phone system plan and the AI voice agent plan. Let's first start with the business phone system. Prices start as low as $19 per user per month. This will be billed annually and a part of the Lite plan. And so this includes the core features needed to set up a professional phone system. Then we have the Essential plan, which is $29 per user per month. And so with the Essential plan, it adds on more advanced routing, integrations, and messaging features. Then there's the Expert plan, which is the most popular option. And so the Expert plan is priced at $49 per user per month. This includes the very popular Power Dialer, Advanced Analytics, and Salesforce integrations. And so what's nice is that you can take advantage of these very affordable prices when you choose to be billed annually. It also is worth noting that CloudTalk offers several add-ons you can layer onto any plan, including AI conversation intelligence, a parallel dialer, branded caller ID, and spam remediation. So you can customize the platform as your needs grow. If you want to take things a step further with automation, CloudTalk's AI voice agents are priced separately based on the type of agent and usage volume. And so first up, we have the AI receptionist, which starts at $99 per month and includes up to 200 minutes. Then we have the more advanced automation, the AI specialist, which starts at $349 per month and includes 1,000 minutes. And what's nice about CloudTalk is that you don't have to immediately jump into these plans. In fact, CloudTalk offers a 14-day free trial, and that trial includes 50 free AI voice agent minutes. So you can test the automation features before committing to a plan, which is really nice. And so now that we've covered pricing, let's talk about the pros and cons. One of the biggest strengths of CloudTalk is its ease of use. Many users say their interface is intuitive and easy for teams to adopt quickly. Another major benefit is the large number of integrations with CRMs and support tools. This makes it easier to connect phone conversations with the rest of your business workflow. CloudTalk also provides coverage in over 160 countries, making it a strong fit for distributed teams or businesses doing business internationally. Because the platform is fully cloud-based, it also works well for remote teams. And features like call routing, call recording, and analytics give managers visibility into how customer conversations are being handled. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind. Because the system is cloud-based, it relies on having a stable internet connection. If your internet is weak, call quality can be affected. Pricing can also increase as you add more users or advanced features, so smaller businesses should consider how the cost may scale over time. Features like automations or advanced routing may require some initial setup. Beyond my own take, it's worth looking at what real users are saying. On G2, the platform has a rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars based on hundreds of reviews, and many reviewers highlight the ease of use, CRM integrations, and call analytics as major positives. Then we have Trustpilot, where reviews also tend to emphasize the platform's flexibility for remote teams and customer support operations. So while it has those great features, there are some criticisms. And so a few of them include things like too much reliance on internet connection, occasional call or app glitches, as well as noticing an increase in pricing as the team scaled. And so overall, weighing both the pros and cons, the feedback across review platforms suggests that CloudTalk is a solid option for businesses that rely heavily on phone communication, especially for sales and support teams. And so if you're wondering, who is CloudTalk actually right for? CloudTalk typically works best for 4 types of businesses. First, small to mid-sized businesses that want a professional phone system instead of using personal numbers. Secondly, they work well with customer support teams that handle a lot of incoming calls and need better tracking. Thirdly, CloudTalk is really good for sales teams that rely on outbound calls and lead follow-up. And then lastly, CloudTalk is great for remote or international teams since the entire system runs in the cloud and provides coverage in over 160 countries. And so if your business runs in any of those verticals, CloudTalk could easily streamline and improve your call system. And so inside the dashboard, you'll typically see the dialer, call history, contacts, call recordings, as well as analytics and reports. From here, you can manage calls, review conversations, and track performance across your team. This interface is designed to make it easy to handle customer conversations without switching between multiple tools. And so if you're curious about trying CloudTalk yourself, they do offer a free 14-day trial, including 50 free AI voice agent minutes, so you can explore the platform and see how it fits your business. So click the link below if you want to check it out. And if you enjoy learning about tools that help you start and grow a business, make sure you subscribe for more reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, stay building.